It's time to take a look at one of the most popular Class A motorhomes on the market, the Thor Ace. Let's hit features, then dive into some floor plans. I'll put this up front before we dive into the interior, and that's that every Ace has a Ford F53 chassis and has an 8,000-pound trailer hitch with a round 7-pin connector. Ergo, it's easy to take along your car, SUV, or whatever you want. Inside an Ace is a whopping 84 inches from floor to ceiling. On the floor, you'll get easy-to-clean residential vinyl flooring. On the ceiling, a ducted AC system ready to get your Ace cool quickly. When it comes to furniture, there's a leatherette sofa bed in all Aces, as well as the Dream dinette with cup holders and wireless charging station, plus storage drawers. Some of the Ace models will also have leatherette theater seats with footrests. Up front, you'll see the leatherette captain's chairs that swivel. The driver has a lot of control thanks to the 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM radio. The driver has easy access to the electric auto level system, and the steering wheel has controls for audio, the backup monitor, and the integrated side view cameras on the heated and remote mirrors. For the passenger, they get to work, if they want to, or just watch something. For nighttime, you have the power privacy shade to keep light from streaming into the cabin, and as the name implies, provide privacy. Above the cab is a power drop-down hideaway overhead bunk. That bunk is super comfortable via the Cotton Cloud mattress, and naturally, there is a ladder for your guests to climb up and access it. The kitchen has flat panel cabinets with matte black finish hardware and are simply gorgeous. They'll give you plenty of storage along with the drawers that fully extend via ball-bearing metal drawer guides. The countertop is a gleaming solid surface and holds the undermount double bowl stainless steel sink with its single handle faucet and pull-down sprayer. Keep foodstuffs cool in the double door fridge. Keep foodstuffs hot via the 3-burner gas cooktop with bifold glass cover, the oven, or the microwave. And take a look at the backsplash. That is glass tile, my friends. For kitchen cleanup, the Ace also comes with a wastebasket. The bathroom features an easy-to-clean porcelain toilet and a very roomy shower with a skylight, which is great to get natural light in there. Oh, and you won't waste water waiting for it to get hot, thanks to the Shower Miser water-saving and recirculating system. For entertainment, not only will you get a 39-inch TV in the living area, but you'll also get a 32-inch TV in the bedroom. Also in the bedroom, you can relax on the king bed and watch your favorite program, even while your camping compadre pursues their phone that can be charged up via the USB chargers. And those are all over the place, but the bedroom has them on each side, as well as having 12-volt outlets for your CPAP machine and more. The bedroom also has a little gift for your pet, a pull-out kibble station with an FDA-approved pet bowl liner. Outside the Ace, you'll rest easy thanks to the slide toppers, and you can enjoy the shade thanks to the power awning with LED lighting. Your pet can enjoy the shade too, as you can utilize the PetLink multi-purpose tie-down to keep them in the shade under the awning. Every Ace also comes with an exterior 32-inch TV on a swivel bracket with Bluetooth soundbar. For media options, the Ace is cable TV ready, has a digital TV antenna, and there's a satellite mounting backer on the roof. There's also a WineGuard Connect Wi-Fi extender and 4G hotspot. When it comes to power, every Ace comes with an Awning gas generator, and you'll also get a second auxiliary house battery. When not in use, you can save your battery via the battery disconnect switch, or to top off the batteries, you can harness the sun with the solar prep and 100-watt solar panel option. To keep things easier, you'll also get an automatic transfer switch. We went over some storage inside, but outside, oh, the Ace has some serious storage. You'll find rotocast storage compartments on both sides, plus massive basement pass-through storage, good for all your gear. If you enjoy cooking outside, then you'll love the fact that every Ace comes with an LP Quick Connect. Some Ace models also have a full exterior kitchen with a refrigerator, sink, and additional cabinet space. Before we go over floor plans, as a quick note, Thor Ace models are going to average about 32 feet in length. Sizable, but very manageable. Let's check out those floor plans, all of which can sleep 6, except for one, which can sleep 8. First up is the 29D. This model has a full wall slide pushing out from the driver's side, comes with a king bed, ample closet space, and an exterior kitchen. The 29G has a pair of slide outs, one containing the king bed, the other most of the split kitchen plus the dream dinette. The 30C has 2 slides, one for the king bed and the other for the entire kitchen and dream dinette. You'll find ample closet space in the bedroom along with the dresser. The 30C also has an exterior kitchen. Lastly is the 32B. A wall slide on the driver's side contains stacked twin bunks just outside the main bedroom and its impressive king bed. Due to the bunks, the 32B can sleep up to 8. To find the Ace nearest you, check out rv.campingworld.com or visit your local Camping World to take a test drive and see if the Thor Ace is right for you.